Hope you didn't eat too many Christmas cookies because it is time for spaghetti. Hello, Magic Makers. You're watching Creative Clara's Enchanting Childhood channel here on YouTube, where we're helping you to bring a bit of magic to your family's daily life. January 24th is National Spaghetti Day, and as always, we've got another idea here to enlighten your family, to add a little bit more fun and engagement in your life. Cost and preparation time for this ranges from the minimal, I'd say a few dollars, to the rather extravagant. Activity time is 60 minutes or so is a realistic time, although you can certainly shorten that or expand that as your schedule and desire allows. Supplies for this can include a pasta maker and recipe ingredients should you choose to go the homemade route. You have the option here, of course, of picking up some dry noodles and canned sauce for a couple dollars. Absolutely no judgment here if you decide to go that route. At the other end of the spectrum, you can spend $400 or $500 on an automated pasta machine. Somewhere in the middle, there's a wide range of options. You can buy a handmade pasta maker for around $20 with fairly good reviews online. You can also find them for $100 or so. It just depends on what your budget is and what your interest is. Of course, for this activity, we're going to make that pasta. We're going to, pull together our pasta sauce. Here we go. Next slide. We're going to make that pasta and the sauce. We're going to decorate the environment with some Italian flair as you feel led. That could be just, a little bit of Italian music in the background, or maybe you want to choose to go with a more elaborate Italian theme at your dinner table. It's really up to you. And the important thing here is that we're having fun. We're trying new activities. We're teaching our kids great skills with the pasta making, the cooking experience, and we are, spending time together with them. Hey, I know that that's what matters most to you as concerned parents, grandparents, caregivers, and I applaud you for all the work that you are doing. I hope at the end of this project that you're sure to take some time to put your feet up as well, and maybe after those kids are in bed, enjoy a glass of fine Italian wine. Hey, when you're done with this project, be sure to let us know how things went in the comment section. And as always, look in the comment section for recipes for that homemade pasta, for pasta makers that you may want to purchase, and for recipes for the sauce and such as well. And always, as always, subscribe please to view more videos.